Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this short video clip, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and simplest no milk pancake butter recipe that you and your kids will surely enjoy. So here's the simple ingredients that we need. 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, mix it to combine. Place a strainer over your mixing bowl to sift all the dry ingredients. So in here, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of flour. And sieve it until no lumps. So now, add 1 1/4 cup of water. I use water as an alternative for milk. And here's my super easy no milk pancake butter. Ready to cook and to enjoy. Thank you for watching.